Hi, I'm Courtney, and this is my son Jericho, and we are having an eating contest of who can eat the most McDonald's.
Type in the comments what we should eat next. Do you want to make a bet who is gonna win this?
My stomach's already mad.
Who do you think is gonna win? Type in comments. In the yeah. Okay. Just saying. Do not try this at home. It's not dangerous anymore. Just don't eat too much McDonald's. But McDonald's sponsor us. I've only ate 3 burgers. This is your second burger.
You making fun of me? Type in the comments and tell us your favorite McDonald's meal or order.
And it's whoever eats the most burgers, not the fries. We don't count the fries.
Why didn't you tell me that at the beginning?
Wow. Just come in fries. Wait, someone was in a rush.
So I was doing this in between my day job.
Yeah, sorry. It's over to cut it early, it's all their fault. Oh, this is gonna hurt me. Wait, how many burgers have you ate?
I think this is number 2.
So I've ate 4 burgers. No, 3. We had 8 burgers. So, if my math is mathing, if I just eat 2 of these, I'm gonna go for the thinner one. If I
Well, since they were equal.
No, we're not. I've already ate 3. And this is 4.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If you eat all of that, I can't catch up with you anyway.
Plus, we count the fries.
And you dumped a fry in there that wasn't supposed to go.
Huh?
After you dumped fries in there that wasn't supposed to go in there.
Well, you forgot. Yeah, I never knew. No.
That's okay. I know you didn't know.
Oh, and not cheating, like having a bucket in our lap and this person in. She might, though.
You already won.
Yeah, I have.
You already won, so I'm not going to hurt myself anymore by trying to eat that last one.
I'm already here for myself. Can I have some napkins?
I mean, you kind of cut me out of the running when you stole the other burger.
Well, if we're counting fries.
Cheater.
It's not cheating, it's a competition. I eat faster. Bye.
Bye.
Before we say bye, take a fry.